The disciplined formation of the aircraft is a prelude to complex maneuvers, showcasing incredible precision against the bright blue sky.
Showcasing its power, the jet climbs sharply, leaving twin vapor trails high in the atmosphere. It then executes a high...
The demanding environment of maritime operations requires absolute precision. This is the critical interface between
The successful arrival demands immediate support, as the ground crew expertly guides the aircraft onto the busy flight deck.
The readiness you see here isn't just for show. Our flight line personnel are trained and capable, prepared for immediate deployment and any follow-on missions.
While the jet provides the muscle, the true power lies within the cockpit. A reminder that the most advanced weapon is only as good as the pilot inside.
Success hinges on the specialized equipment. The procedural focus required for modern flight operations demands meticulous preparation, ensuring every component is mission ready.
The dedication of our ground crew is unmatched. Their meticulous maintenance ensures the safety and readiness.
As the ground crew confirms that the hydraulics are secure, the pilot initiates the final sequence, checking all systems are green.
The precision required for ground handling necessitates a highly coordinated dance between the pilot in the cockpit and the crew on the tarmac.
The maintenance crew performs an intimate inspection of the jet's landing gear. Their close interaction ensures technical readiness before taxiing to the runway.
And so begins the flight duty. The crew meticulously climbs into the jet, ready for the mission ahead.
This impressive row of advanced jets represents the quiet force of modern air power, massed here on the apron.
This is the unit identification for VMFA-121, clearly visible near the air intakes. They maintain a...
Post-flight, the transition from warrior to man is immediate. Here on the tarmac, the true cost and camaraderie of the mission are revealed.
With the final clearance from the ground crew, these F-35s are ready for departure, showcasing the relentless efficiency of the airbase.
The stealthy jet cuts a powerful image as Antosmith for airfield.
The F-22 Raptor maintains a commanding ground profile and powerful fuselage.
With the final checks complete, the tower gives clearance for takeoff. The ground crew provides the final visual confirmation, ensuring all systems are green.
The pilot completes her final check, giving the signal of acknowledgement before the main operations begin.
The ground crew efficiently walks the aircraft, guiding it precisely from its shelter.
Clear on the left, keep it coming.
A coordinated effort involving the tow tug.
The fuselage proudly displays the name of the pilot, forging an undeniable link between the aviator and the sophisticated machinery they command.
A runway takeoff required absolute precision. Once committed, the aircraft demonstrates its true speed and power.
Welcome to the heart of the operation. These hangars provide the essential infrastructure to keep advanced aircraft like Lieutenant Kelly's F.
The liftoff phase requires immense power. At this moment, the jet overcomes gravity, fully committing to the air. As the jet leaves the airfield, its powerful engines propel it upward in a sharp climb, demonstrating remarkable performance and...
Focusing on the jet's powerful ascent, the impressive rate of climb allows it to quickly dominate the airspace.
In the clear blue sky, the jet transitions smoothly to its mission altitude, maintaining controlled flight over the expansive landscape. As the jet pushes higher into the deep blue, the afterburners ignite, leaving long, distinct white contrails.
The jet maneuvers with precision, interacting seamlessly with the surrounding atmosphere. The banking maneuver beneath the clouds demonstrates remarkable control.
The precision of this high G turn demonstrates the unparalleled agility of the aircraft, highlighting the pilot's masterful control.
In level flight, the jet showcases remarkable efficiency. Cruising at this altitude, its sleek design allows for incredible speed.
From the pilot's seat, the precision of formation flight is a testament to constant training. The slightest adjustment keeps these birds perfectly aligned against the blue.
A testament to integrated air power, the F-35 and the venerable F-15 Eagle demonstrate seamless coordination high above the canyons.
This impressive display highlights the integrated capability of the different aircraft types, showcasing truly coordinated airmanship over challenging terrain.
Look at that tight formation break. The F-15s display incredible power and maneuverability. Then the cut to the F-35B's STOVL capability allows it to land almost anywhere. Watch as the lift fan engages.
The transition from flight to ground operations begins as the F-35 taxis in after a successful mission.
The advanced jet executes slow-speed maneuvers with impressive precision. This is thanks to the complex technology enabling.
The jet performs its final taxi, guided by the ground crew. Its striking profile dominates the airfield as it maneuvers into the parking spot.
Egress marks the end of the flight. The pilot leaves the confined operational space of the cockpit and is assisted by ground crew before returning to the hangar.
The Ordnance and Armament crew undertakes the specialized, careful process of arming the aircraft for its combat role.
Integrating advanced weaponry into a stealth platform requires absolute precision. The delicate alignment sequence.
The safe and secure loading of this ordnance is paramount. Every step must be followed meticulously to ensure both the safety.
Back on the carrier deck, the coordination is intense. Typical vertical for.
The unique takeoff sequence requires tremendous power output. As the catapult fires, the jet accelerates rapidly.
The flight deck is a symphony of organized chaos. The multitude of roles performed by this dedicated crew are all required to keep the carrier.
As the jet slows, the focus is entirely on the landing zone. The ground crew's coordination is critical for the pilot's final, complex descent.
The jet is now in final position for the vertical maneuver, demonstrating its unique ability to halt forward motion and prepare for a precision landing.
As the Super Hornet traps, the immense scale of the aircraft carrier becomes apparent.
The objective here is simple: achieve the immense thrust required for a successful short takeoff from the carrier deck.
Observe the delicate control required. The jet must precisely position itself, balancing the lift fan's thrust for a smooth vertical landing.
As the jet reaches the final hover, the coordination between the flight deck officer and the pilot is absolute. This is the moment of truth.
At sea, the arming crew works with immediate, hands-on precision. Attaching a missile to an underwing pylon.
The completion of the missile loading marks the rapid turnaround. The jet is now ready for its next sortie.
As it prepares for vertical takeoff, you can see the lift fan doors open and the advanced flight controls deploying to manage the thrust.
From 0 to 150 knots in moments, the Hornet climbs sharply, showcasing the raw speed and readiness of naval aviation.
The catapult fires, demonstrating the raw power required for this short takeoff. The Super Hornet accelerates from 0 to flight speed in mere seconds.
The open sea, a theater of operations where the immense scale of the aircraft carrier is contrasted by the precise, controlled descent of a single aircraft.
The deck crew are the eyes and ears of the flight deck, serving as both observers and facilitators. Their focused attention.
The pilots maintain tight formation over the open ocean, a companionable return to the carrier after a successful airborne mission.
The aircraft catches the wire perfectly. Inside the cockpit, the pilot's concentration is absolute. Visible on the canopy rail, the call sign, ET.
Seconds after the trap, the pilot skillfully maneuvers the Super Hornet. The ground crew, led by the yellow shirt.
The director confirms the final configuration. Lift fan engaged, control surfaces deployed. We are clear for the vertical ascent.
This is the STOVL in action, a controlled descent onto the carrier deck, showcasing remarkable engineering.
The jet completes its vertical landing directly in front of the camera, showcasing the incredible precision and safety of the process on the moving deck. This unique carrier takeoff method generates immense power, accelerating the jet from 0 to runway speed in mere seconds. A steady hand is crucial for the landing approach. And once the trap is made, the real work of the ground maneuver begins.
The F-35B's defining feature is its vertical takeoff and landing capability, achieved through this complex lift fan system right behind the cockpit.
Maintaining this precise flight path to the deck requires unparalleled skill, culminating in yet another successful controlled vertical landing.
The pilot maintains decisive, professional calm as the jet gently settles onto the deck. A successful arrival.
With the maneuver complete, a final systems check. Green status across the board. The pilot's focus remains absolute, demonstrating remarkable calm under pressure.
The S-shaped duct is the core of the vertical flight system. As the panel opens, the lift fan engages, demonstrating the intricate mechanics of this lift system, particularly the serrated exhaust nozzle and the body panel here, are what differentiate.
Tracking the jet's agile maneuvers, it truly showcases exceptional maneuverability, even at moderate speeds during this bank turn and descent.
Having completed the maneuver, the jet transitions from dynamic flight to controlled landing procedures, a dramatic shift as they approach the sunny carrier deck.
The director's exaggerated hand signals are the pilot's only guide, requiring clear, unambiguous communication during this critical vertical approach.
The fighter jet executes a flawless vertical landing, settling precisely into its designated spot. The aircraft stabilizes and begins its...
With the final inspection complete, the pilot confirms readiness with a crisp salute, acknowledging the director's authority to move the aircraft.
This short takeoff, or STO, requires precise synchronization. The Super Hornet accelerates rapidly, clearing the...
As day turns to night, the difficulty increases exponentially. These low-visibility landings demand the utmost concentration and skill.
The pilot, fully focused, runs through the pre-flight checklist. The aircraft, clearly marked with the designation 32, is ready.
Landing a high-performance jet on a moving ship is already one of the hardest things we do. Doing it at sunset requires absolute precision and control.
The Hornet tracks its final approach vector. Speed and angle look good. Cleared to land. Mission complete.
First, this serrated design isn't just for stealth. It's integral to the propulsion system's vertical lift capabilities.
The Super Hornet launches from the carrier deck, demonstrating incredible speed and thrust. It goes from zero to liftoff in mere seconds.
This coordinated display of air power over the operational area is truly impressive.
In low visibility, every landing is a gamble. The deck is narrow, and the fog makes the close quarters approach incredibly difficult.
The highly disciplined environment of the flight deck demands constant vigilance. Precise hand signals are essential to guide the aircraft.
As the sun sets, the jet begins its controlled vertical descent.
With the sun setting, the jet completes its vertical landing. A testament to rigorous training, the crew flawlessly executes. The vertical landing procedure demonstrates remarkable consistency, overcoming environmental challenges like low light and turbulent conditions.
Showcasing its unparalleled maneuverability one last time before demonstrating the future of aviation, the precision vertical landing.
And here we see the true operational flexibility of the aircraft, executing a flawless vertical landing.